Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're getting ready to test one of our gearboxes that we have completed. Came in about maybe 3 weeks ago back. This came out of Arizona from a wastewater treatment plant. This gearbox has been obsolete. Believe it or not, this gearbox is over 50 years old. The backstop on this thing was obsolete, couldn't find it. One of our main suppliers located it in Europe, and we overnighted it for our customer. The customer didn't want to put up a new line and spend all that money, so we saved them a ton of money. Upon arrival, the first thing we noticed when this gearbox came in was the oil pump failed. Because the oil pump failed, it lacked lubrication to the bearings, so the bearings got hot. One of the bearings blew out. Because of that happening, the gear started getting pitted, so we relapped the gears with lapping compound, bringing everything back all concentric. We replaced all the bearings and seals with factory bearings. We set the bearing floats back to OEM specs. We set the backlash on the gearing back to OEM specs. And now we're getting ready to test our gearbox. This gearbox is being tested for vibration, overheating. We're going to be testing it for about 3 hours. We do this to every one of our gearboxes. We upload it to YouTube so you can see your gearbox being tested. This gearbox is warranted for 1 year upon installation, whether the customer puts it in now or puts it in a couple of years down the line. So here we go. We got our machine running, and we'll see you in the next 3 hours. Thank you. Is that better?